Hi Science fans, we're back again with another experiment from Frightful First Experiments by Galt. So, this time, we're still stuck in Science Towers, aren't we? And we're still trying to get out. And if you remember, we've got to do all of the experiments and collect these puzzle pieces before they'll let us out. So, as usual, we've got a note from the terrible scientists at Science Towers. Shall I read it? So this one says, Experiment 7, Baron Frankenstein's The Bashed Up Brain.
I don't think I like
It says, well done, you learnt all about density in the last experiment. If you remember, the last experiment was the one with the egg in the glass.
Yes.
And we really liked Sheldon.
Shall I show the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, if you watched our last video, you'll know that Sheldon's a cat.
There's Sheldon. But then it says, we're not sure how much Sheldon will like experiment 7 though.
What?
Ha, ha, ha.
I don't want to hurt Sheldon.
Baron Frankenstein.
Oh.
So,
say your last words, Sheldon.
we've
Wait,
got our puzzle piece. How's it looking?
there's a turtle. And it seems like there's a present that fits into it. I'm not sure where these pieces go though.
Okay, well
Looks
that's
like-
looking good. So put that over to the side then.
So
and
we're starting to get a bit of a puzzle piece. It looks like there's a turtle, a party hat,
okay.
party blower,
Well, it is a party that we're trying to get to, isn't
and
it?
some presents.
Okay.
And there seems like to be a parrot and maybe a start of the balloon.
Okay.
Well, let's just set this aside.
So, Baron Frankenstein's bashed up brain. Should we see what we need?
Yeah.
We need Sheldon.
Yes, we have Sheldon.
We have Sheldon.
I love Sheldon.
No, Sheldon is just a normal egg.
With a face of a cat.
Yeah, it's not a cooked egg. It's just a normal raw egg. We need an empty jar with a lid.
Got it.
And we need some cold water,
Got it.
which we
And
have.
nothing from the kit.
And nothing from the kit again. So I'm not,
Second time.
already it's not going to get full marks, right? So, would you like to fill the jar with water?
All the way. Yes, I would.
Trying not to get it on the table.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Stop.
Like that?
Yeah.
Shall I pop Sheldon?
Now, I would like you to put Sheldon gently into the
Like
jar
just drop him.
without. Oh,
He doesn't fit.
look.
Wait, that's bad. And his face is rubbing off.
Oh, cut.
dear.
Okay.
Take 2.
Take 2 with Sheldon.
We are back.
So the last jar we had didn't quite fit Sheldon in. So we've got a different one.
And hopefully.
So
We tested this one especially. And he will fit.
So will you
Fill it
pour
up.
water in, please?
Yeah, retake.
Try not to spill it everywhere.
This one's even bigger, so this one will be fine. All the way again.
Yeah, until I say stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. Right. Now carefully put Sheldon in, and hopefully he'll go in this time. Right. Marvellous.
God.
Now, what I want you to do, I'm going to
Okay.
do it up really tightly.
Good. Oh, we're gonna shake it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And I want you to shake it as
Is
hard
it
as you
gonna
can. See what happens.
So you should. Can I just check? Okay. Are you ready?
Shake it as hard as you can.
Why isn't Sheldon dying?
What's happening to Sheldon?
Nothing.
Right, show
Wait,
the camera. Here you go, here's Sheldon.
He's still
Okay.
fine.
And he's still fine.
Shake it really hard, Mum. Kill Sheldon. Is he meant to break?
So Sheldon,
Like, can I just try one more time? Sheldon. Die! Nope, he's still alive.
so Sheldon is okay. And the reason that Sheldon is okay is, why do you think?
Don't know. I thought Sheldon would break. Wait!
No, he's okay.
Got a lot of cracks.
Yeah, but he's okay. He's not broken.
True.
He's okay.
But
So
is he meant to have cracks?
the reason Sheldon's okay, and only got minor damage, is because the water has acted like a shock absorber. Right? So the water is taking a lot of the energy from us doing this, right? So it's not going into Sheldon.
Even though he has a few.
No, he's got tiny little cracks, but nothing much. And it's very much like what's going on with your brain in your head, right?
Wait, does that mean my brain has minor injuries?
No. So your brain is in your head, just like Sheldon's in the jar, and surrounding your brain is what's called cerebrospinal fluid.
Okay, let's just call it brain water.
Brain water. So just like Sheldon, imagine that your brain is Sheldon, and then the jar is your head, your skull, and then it's got this fluid in it, which is why when you go around like this, shaking your head, your brain doesn't get damaged, right? So what would happen if you didn't have that brain water?
Are we really going to? Goodbye, Sheldon.
What do you think would happen?
Say your final words.
We'll just
leave Sheldon in the jar.
Leave Sheldon in the jar.
Can I do the honours?
So,
because this is going to get really messy. So
what do you think would happen now?
Die? Are you meant to shake?
Are you going to show the camera when you shake it so that they can see?
Yeah. Are you ready? He's already yolk. He's already yolk.
No. Sheldon!
He's dead! Wait. I can still see his face. His sweet smile.
His sweet face. So, that's what happens when you don't have the brain water.
I would have thought that we would be able to use Sheldon if we baked anything. But clearly not.
Oh, sorry,
Can I
Sheldon.
try? Can I do it again? Okay, I'm gonna make juice now.
You could have him as an omelette.
Juice. There's so much. Oh, look, it's gross. Shake it, man. Shake it hard.
Oh, Sheldon, your brains. Oh no. So anyway,
I do not want that to be me anytime soon.
So
I can still see.
that's why you have brain water, otherwise known as cerebrospinal fluid, to protect your brain. Otherwise, that's what would happen to your brain. Oh, you've killed him. Right, let's put it down.
You told me to.
So, that's the end of the bashed up brain experiment. As you can see, we've bashed it up. So what do you want to give it as a
I
score?
do not want my brain dead.
No.
You go first.
I'm going to give this one I'm going to give it a 9 again. Yeah? 9. You're going to go 9 as well?
Sheldon.
So I'm going to go 9 because, I mean, Sheldon, we got to use Sheldon again, which was good. And I think it's a nice, simple experiment, which shows us all about shock absorbing and how the forces travel through the water. And we had a good fun smashing Sheldon up. Okay. But the reason it doesn't get a 10 again is because he didn't use anything from the kit. Okay. What about you?
The reason I gave it a 10.
No, you got 10. It's a 9.
I mean a 9. Was all of your reasons plus the fact that I can still see his face. Look.
Oh, Sheldon.
Oh dear.
And it is a bit of a waste of an egg, which isn't too great. You shouldn't really waste food. But anyway, so there we go. So bashed up brain is Sheldon is going to get a 9. Yeah.
I don't think Sheldon really like that.
No, I don't think Sheldon's very happy about it.
I think he's dead.
Okay, so this one is getting a 9. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing here at Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Sheldon! Science Time with Dr. Laura and Sheldon.
She's gone. Then go to our YouTube channel and like and subscribe
to Science Time with
Dr.
Laura and
Sheldon. Right, okay.
well done.
And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye.